The president of the former Chrysler Corporation, Lee Iacocca, was at the head of a big conference table surrounded by his vice presidents. He turned to one VP and he said, "Tell me about your goals." And the VP promptly explained. Then Lee asked, "You have that written down, right?" And the VP replies, "No, sir, it's right here in my head." "Not good enough," Lee replies. "Put your goals in writing. 1, it helps you to focus. 2, it makes you honest with yourself. 3, it frees up mental space for more good things to happen. And 4, it makes you accountable." The point is, put your goals in writing. Setting a goal may not be enough to overcome inevitable obstacles and barriers to success. More than a goal, it often takes a system. And here's a couple things to think about. 1, pick up my books, Future Vision, the text, and the companion Action Planning Guide. These are proven systems. 2, find and work with a competent and proven coach. The time for gathering more information is done. Go to my website at futurevisionpower.com and get the system and learn how you can get a complimentary coaching session.